Hi, hello to everyone. In BRS chapter, already we have completed 3 problems. Now let us move on to the problem 4. Please, my dear kids, try to remember while doing problems in BRS, we have a cash book. Debit side may receipt रहता, credit side may payment. When it comes to the passbook, debit side we have a payment, credit side receipt. See, my dear kids, here bank overdraft as per the cash book. See here, overdraft. Overdraft means what? Payment. Payment in which book? Cash book. Payment in cash book means it comes in the credit side. As far as the first transaction is concerned, we have to write it in the same side, that is bank overdraft as per cash book. Overdraft means payment, cash book means it comes in the credit side. We have to take it in the credit side. Amount is 15 lakh 50,750. When we move on to the next point, my dear kids, checks deposited. Deposited means receipt. When? On 15th February, means within the 31st March, but credited on 5th April. When it is credited on 5th April, it means not credited in March. So, not credited in March, where credited by whom? Passbook on 5th April. Credited in passbook means it is credited in passbook on when it is credited on 5th April. It means not credited in April, mean March 31st. So now what we have to do, that is checks deposited, first point, right? Checks deposited not credited till 31st March. What they have mentioned? Credited on 5th April. So not credited on 31st March. Not credited means where we have to take? We have to take it in the credit side only. Its amounted is rupees 12 lakh 50,000. See the next point. Interest debited by bank on 31st March. See, debited on 31st March. When it is debited within the period, we have to take it in opposite side as per as the BRS is concerned, right? If it is not credited, take it in the credit side. If it is debited, we have to take it in the opposite side. Opposite side means we have to take it in credit side, right? The point number is 2. Interest debited on 31st March. My dear children, when it is debited, we have to take it in opposite side, that is on the credit side. The amount is 1,75,500. I hope you are understanding, right? See the next one. Checks issued. Issued means what? Payment. Before 31st March means during our financial year, but not yet presented. What do you mean by not yet presented? No payment in. Where the check is supposed to be presented? To the bank. Means not presented means no payment in passbook. See, my dear kids, very carefully, no payment in passbook. No payment in passbook means no debit in passbook. So where I should take? I am supposed to take it in the debit side only. Now the point number is C, I mean third point. What it is? Checks issued but not presented for payment. Means not presented for payment means no payment in passbook. As I told you, no payment in passbook means no debit in passbook. So it is to be taken in the debit side only with an amount of rupees 7,75,000. Please see the number whether I am writing correctly or not. See the next concept. After this, we have a point number 4. On 10th April March 2022 means within the given time. Bank credited, what they have did? Credited. When it is credited, where we have to take? We have to take it in the opposite side. So now what we have to write is point number 4. Wrong credit by the bank. See, when it is wrongly credited, my dear kids, we have to take it in, whether is it a correct credit or wrong credit, we have to take it in opposite side, right? Anyhow it is being credited, so we have to take it in debit side with an amount of rupees 1,50,000. See the next concept. Draft deposited. What they have done? Deposited. Deposited means what? Receipt. In the bank, but not credited till 31st March. See the clear wording, not credited. This is not credited. So where we have to take? We have to take it in the credit side only. That is a draft, point number 5, right? Draft not credited. Not credited means where we have to take? We have to take it in the credit side with an amount of rupees 12,75,000. Now this page is being completed. Let me move on to the next page. See my dear kids, after this we have a 6th point. Bills for collection credited. What they have mentioned? Credited by the bank, but no advice received by the company. No advice received by the company means no entry in the cash book. Okay. Now, bills for collection credited. When it is credited, where we have to take? We have to take it in opposite side. Opposite side means debit side. The point number is 6. Bills for collection credited. Credited means where we have to take? We have to take it in debit side, which is an amount of rupees 9,45,000. This is one way of explanation. I teach you another way of explanation, that is or. No advice was received. No advice was received means collection. Collection means what? Receipt. No receipt in cash book. See my dear kids, when there is no receipt in cash book, it means what? No debit in cash book. So where we have to take? We have to take in debit side only. No receipt in cash book means no debit in cash book. In both the angles you can understand. One, bills for collection credited, take it in the debit side. Another option, since no advice was received, no information was received from by the company, in such case no entry is made in the cash book, means no receipt in the cash book, means no debit in the cash book. So we have to take it in debit side only. I hope you people are getting. Please give your comment. Please give your answer. The next, bank charges charged by the bank. What do you mean by bank charges, my dear kids? Payment. Not entered in cash book. Where it is not entered? In cash book it is not entered. Once again I write cash book, debit receipt, credit payment, passbook, debit payment, credit receipt. See here, bank charges charged by bank. What do you mean by bank charges? Payment. Is it entered in cash book? He is clearly telling that not entered in cash book. Means what? No payment in cash book. No payment in cash book means no credit in cash book. So what we have to do? We have to take it in the credit side. Bank charges not entered in cash book. Bank charges means payment. Not entered in cash book means no payment in cash book, means no credit in cash book. So where we have to take? We have to take it in the credit side. It is of rupees 2,85,000. Let us move on to the next point, my dear kids. Transport subsidy received from the state government. Received means what? Receipt. By the bank but not advised to the company. What do you mean by not advised to the company? Just now earlier we come across not advised to company, no information received by the company. It stands for what? No entry in the cash book. It means received, no advice received. Means what? No receipt in cash book. No receipt in cash book means no debit in cash book. So what we have to do? We have to take it in debit side only. That is a point number 8. What is that? Transport subsidy received but not advised to company. See, my dear kids, here transport subsidy received. Received means what? Receipt, right? Kids, right? Not advised means what? No receipt in cash book. Means no debit in cash book. We have to take it in debit side. It is of rupees 1,75,000. Sorry, 17,50,000. Sorry, my dear kids. It is 17,50,000 dash. Now what we have to do? This completes, I think, all the points of a problem, right? Now we have to find out the total. Work out the total of all the debit side. It comes to 36,20,000. Please check it out. 36,20,000. Credit side 43 lakh, 45 lakh, 45 lakh, 36,000, 36,250. Now what side is less? Debit side is less by how much? It is of 9 lakh, 16,250. 9 lakh 16,250. What I have to write? Started with BOD as per cash book, right? Now we have to end with what balance it is? Debit balance. Debit balance as per passbook. 9 lakh 16,250. What do you mean by debit balance as per passbook? Debit balance as per passbook means payment. Payment is nothing but what? BOD. So we can call it as BOD only. That is, debit balance means BOD. BOD as per passbook. Debit balance means what? BOD. Debit balance means what? BOD. BOD as per which book? Passbook. That is 9,16,250. So let us meet in a next video with the next problem. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Please go through all these problems. I am trying my level best to make you understand. Please give your comment, share with your friends, so that maximum it helps to the CA Foundation students. Love you all. Bye.